Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to embark on a culinary fusion adventure? Today we are blending the best of Indian and Chinese cuisine to create a dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. It's the Indochinese chicken lollipop. Imagine the crispy exterior of Chinese fried chicken combined with the aromatic spices and flavors of Indian cuisine. That's exactly what you will get with these delicious lollipops. We are using a unique marinade that combines soya sauce, ginger garlic and Indian spices for a truly unforgettable taste. Get ready to learn how to create the perfect balance of sweet, sour and spicy in every bite. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients and now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg chicken wings and cut the chicken wings into lollipops. First cut the chicken wing in half and take the chicken wing drum and cut exactly how it is shown. Then take a chicken winglet and cut exactly how it is shown. Remove the small bone and shape it as a lollipop. Do the same to all the other chicken wings. So all the chicken lollipops are ready. Then add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 stock cube, and then give this a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a bowl add 3 cups plain flour, 1 cup corn flour, half tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, add some salt to taste, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon red food color, 3 tablespoon oil and 1 stock cube. Then add water to make a thick batter. Whisk it and keep adding water little at a time until it becomes nice and thick. So the batter is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply add the marinated chicken lollipops and then give this a nice mix. Then simply deep fry the chicken lollipops until crispy. Make sure the oil is not too hot and the flame is on medium to low. Fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So the chicken wings are almost ready. And there you go, the chicken wings are ready now. Once ready, then leave it in a separate plate. Then to make a homemade Schezwan sauce, in a bowl add 20 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 bowl hot water, and cover it and rest it for about 30 minutes until it becomes nice and soft. Then simply blend the dry red chilies, adding about 4 tablespoons water. Then simply blend it until smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for about few seconds. Then add the chili paste and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix and allow it to boil. Cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons white vinegar, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, four tablespoons sugar. Add some salt to taste and 1 stock cube, and then fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add about 4 tablespoons oil and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes until it gets nice and thick. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to cool it down completely. And there you have it guys, the crispy, tangy and oh so delicious chicken lollipop. These little bites of heaven are the perfect appetizer or a main course, and they are surprisingly easy to make. Don't forget to try experimenting with different spices and sauces to create your own flavor combination. If you like this recipe, then please hit that like and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.